Thank you for your interest in paper transport. Over the next couple of minutes, we're going to walk you through what you can expect for the application, interview, and orientation process. We're really excited to work with you.
If you haven't filled out our full application, please take some time to do that now. That'll get you our VIP priority status with our recruiters, and we'll take care of that application within 1 to 3 business days. If you can't wait, just give us a call.
After you complete the application, the next step is going to be the CDL assessment. Now you're going to want to make sure that you reserve at least 10 to 15 minutes in order to complete this process, because it is about 100 questions and you'll be shown 2 statements. Now as a driver, we know that there's going to be scenarios where you value both of those statements, but what we're looking for is consistency in the choices that you're making, because as a driver, you're going to be making hundreds of choices every minute of every day. And so your reaction in being able to complete that is what we're going to be using to assess it. If you can't complete the assessment at this time, feel free to hold off until you have a good internet connection and that 10 to 15 minutes. We can't move forward without this step.
Now that you've made it through the application process, let's talk about what happens next. Our recruiters will review your application and your CDL assessment, and make sure you meet our minimum requirements. Can't wait? Call us at 855-784-5627 or email us at jobs@papertransport.com.
Our team will be reaching out to you via email or phone call to find out what drives you. We want to find the position that fits your needs best and set up a time to do an interview.
You also chat with a member of operations in terms where we're going to go over the fleet specifics, such as home time, lanes, and where you're going to be running.
Congratulations, you've made it. Next stop is orientation. If you're an experienced driver, orientation is every week and it's a day and a half. If you're an inexperienced driver, you now start your enrollment for the Accelerate program. Congratulations, we're super excited to have you part of the team. If you do have questions, give us a call at 1-855-784-5627 or email us at jobs@papertransport.com.